You are looking at 2012 Kia Forte. It has salvage title. You can hear engine running.
Got a crash out of the left lane. We have the usual toll.
And if you would like more information about this vehicle or any other our cars, please visit www.rebuildcars.com.